Hello, families. This is Jackie Stocker, and this is Sunshine. It is very nice to meet you. I get to teach 7th and 8th grade ELA and students at Farnsworth, and we call our school the home of future leaders, and we prepare students to be leaders not only through great teachers, but also through wonderful opportunities such as our virtual reality lab. I have a PhD in English and I've been teaching for over 10 years. And the Virtual Reality Lab is a wonderful opportunity because students get to interact with characters in the virtual reality setting. This is an experience that they bring back to the classroom. When they are reading, they can imagine the characters walking down the street or building a fence or doing anything that they are doing, and the students have a much more imaginative experience with the book. So I hope to meet you soon. Thank you.